Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends in Delta Force. To add friends in Delta Force, first of all, open up your Delta Force application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the social button at the top of the screen. This will open up the Friends tab. Tap on the Add button in green and then enter your friend's ID or their player name in the text box. Tap the search icon to search for the person, and once you find the person in the list, tap on the plus button right next to their name to send them friend request. Repeat this step for every other friend you'd like to add, and once they accept your request, you will then be able to be friends in the game. So that is how you will be able to add friends in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.